Right, you know how we like to be educational on the Caravan and Motorhome show?
Do we?
Yeah, we do. We've got a caravan and we've got a motorhome. And what we're going to do is we're going to set them up from scratch and see what the differences are. What do you think there?
There's not much difference between them, to be fair.
Yeah, except Caravan's a lot better. Easier to set up, quicker.
They're much of a much, but it is quicker to set up a motorhome.
It's not.
Oh, it is.
It's not. Caravans are better. All round, Caravans are better. Easier to tow, set up.
Well, you don't tow a motorhome.
Well, exactly, that's why it's easier to tow, isn't it?
Yeah, it is quicker to set up a motorhome than it is a caravan.
This is the expert here.
Yeah,
You don't
I do
know
it
what it's
daily.
on about.
So we've got a bit of a challenge going on here, aren't we?
Well, yeah.
Well, it's
Okay.
not a challenge when one will win, but
Yeah, exactly. The Caravan's going to be better, isn't it? So,
Yeah, well, it's going to be 2 against 1.
sorry, Shane. Yeah, sorry.
So what do you think, man?
You're going to lumber me with him to do this, aren't you?
Yep.
could be
Okay.
worse. You could be with me.
Go on then, let's do it.
So how are we going to do this?
Well, we'll have to start from the outside.
Yeah.
Get some water, get some electric, get the gas.
Okay.
Sounds like
ready?
a challenge.
Shall we go? Let's go.
Let's do it.
We're going? Okay, let's go.
Don't panic. I've got it all under control. Go and plug the electric in.
This end.
Yes. I'll take this and we'll go around here. So we've done electric. We've already done the water. Like you say, we do as we come onto the site, and we put a gas on.
Easy peasy.
Come on, Lee. I'm not bloody losing this time.
Right, I'll get the water, you get the gas, get the electric and wind the legs up.
Easy, Tiger.
Wind the legs up! That's what I asked you to do. Amateur.
Get it in.
Where's the electric?
You were doing. Right, I think we're done.
That's us, apart from the legs.
Well, it's a bit late now, isn't it?
I spy with my little eye something beginning with N.
Motorhome.
Very good.
Yeah.
See? Very good. Oh, look. Where did they come?
It's only call this.
Have you cheated?
You already had 1 day's worth of pitch already.
Took a little bit longer than expected, to be fair.
Yeah, couple of mishaps.
I think it was just rushing. It's one of those things, actually, to be fair, you can't rush.
Weren't you working in coherence together then or nothing?
Well, he was told what to do, he just didn't do it.
Yeah.
So we're taking that round, are we?
Yeah, we'll give you that one.
What's the next round?
Next round, well, we've got everything connected outside, but we need to get it inside, so pull the gas through, get the water through, get your 12 volt on.
Okay. And what's that over there?
Hey, come.
Right, 12 volt on. If you pull the water through,
Yeah.
get that shut up.
So we've got the drain off valve. We need to shut that down first. Get all the taps closed off.
All the taps are closed this end.
And pumps going on. Do you want to get the gas through, Lee?
Gas coming through.
It's looking
Oh,
pretty
see
good.
that?
No spider in your ring this time.
No spiders in my ring today, my friend.
And we've got gas and water.
May as
We're
well test
looking
the
pretty
lid
good.
switch. All off.
Super job. We're done.
We're done.
Right, what we need
We're
to
already
do
winning.
is to switch on. There we go, we're on there. We need to pump on, draw the water through. What else do we need to do? So we've got the water coming through.
I wouldn't really
What?
say we've got it coming through. I don't know about you.
Drain off on the hot water heater. Do the drain off on the hot water heater.
Where's the drain off in the hot water?
Underneath the gas.
Drain off.
I've got no gas coming through. Did you do the button on the gas?
What button on the gas?
We did do the button on the gas. Oh, we didn't do the gas button. The crash test button. Right. Hot water heater. That's better.
Turn the water pump on. Silly you.
There we go.
That's beautiful, that is.
Done.
Flowing like Niagara Falls.
Right, we're all done.
I spy, with my little eye, something beginning with C.
Caravan.
No, camper van.
Oh.
Unlucky. Good effort though.
Waving boys.
Took your time that time, didn't you?
Few little hiccups.
Yeah.
Wow, one big hiccup.
Well, now you know how I feel.
I do. So, we're equal now at the moment, aren't we?
That's evened it up, hasn't it?
Right, next one.
Okay, so we've got to go in now. We've got to get a heating on. We've got to get a fridge on. And,
Water.
Heating, hot water and fridge.
Yeah.
That's what we've got to do. Right, that's a lovely bird
Yeah,
there.
fuzz.
Yeah, come on.
Right, combi. Heating
Come on,
and hot waters
Lee,
all
we've
together.
got this. And fridge is on. Get it nice and cool.
30 degrees.
Have some
Warm
of
as
that.
toast. Mixed two. We're
That's
done.
us done.
Right, come on then, Shane. What we need the fridge on. We can get the heating on. What do you want it on at?
21, that's a nice
21,
temperature.
yeah. And we've got the electric on the hot water. Come on, let's go.
Alright.
Come on, Lee. That was close.
Oh,
That was a
close.
photo finish.
It was, that was a close one.
First man out, I think it was Mark. Well, first person out.
There.
Hey, come on.
Yeah, I think.
I think that was a draw, to be fair.
Yeah, we'll go with the draw.
Yeah, we'll go with the
that's
draw.
fair.
So,
But
1-1.
you now know what the last challenge is, don't you?
What's that?
Down the pub. Come on, Lee, jump in the car.
See you later.
See you later, boys.
You've only got a fridge and a load of beers in that.
We're going to have to pack everything up again now.
Nah. Let's walk. That's what it's about.
We'll walk.